In the University of Idaho murders case, the judge has not yet determined how much you get to see and know about the case against Bryan Kohberger. There were two pivotal hearings in the murders case today. 4 News Now is a part of the group of journalism organizations asking for cameras to be allowed in the courtroom and also for the gag order preventing people involved in the case to talk about it publicly, for that to be lifted. Our Jordan Smith was in the courtroom today. He has updates from Moscow.
Well, those two hearings totaled more than 6 hours. Bryan Kohberger was present for the duration of both of them, trading out that orange jumpsuit for a suit jacket and a tie. It was a busy day inside the Latah County Courthouse.
All rise.
The push for more information and more coverage of the murder investigation of 4 U of I students. At 1:30 p.m., the defense, prosecution, and media coalition filed into the room. The media coalition was fighting for the non-dissemination order to be altered in an effort to be able to report more of the facts of this case. Kohberger's defense team candid in their response.
Journalists do not have the credibility they once did.
They argued that the release of more information could be distorted and that interviews with attorneys or people involved in the investigation could be twisted and manipulated, throwing out the possibility of a fair trial for Kohberger.
It's not even accuracy, it's just speed. It's just how quickly can they put something into the next news cycle.
The media coalition argued that misinformation would be eradicated if the facts were fully available. The prosecution, however, siding with the defense.
No one's saying that this case will be tried behind walls of silence, as has been said. We're simply saying that the case will be tried in this court.
Shortly after, the discussion of TV cameras. Judge John Judge says he's ordinarily lenient when allowing them in his courtroom, but acknowledged that these circumstances are not the same.
This is a different case.
Kohberger's team criticized the camera efforts so far, saying they've been largely focused on close-ups of their client.
It's what the media does with the videos, with the photographs, and how it's sort of manipulated in some way that is harmful.
Later arguing that a jury pool could be tainted by images from the courtroom, but the media coalition standing firm.
It is the obligation of members of the media to get the story right.
Now, both of these decisions lie in the hands of Judge John Judge, who made it clear he would not be making a decision today. Instead, he would be providing a written response or decision in the coming days. In the meantime, the gag order does remain in place. In Moscow tonight, Jordan Smith, 4 News Now.